Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this lesson. Today we are going to learn about minMaxLoc function. This function helps us to get the minimum and the maximum pixel values inside an image. Also at the same time it's gonna give us the minimum and the maximum pixel values, locations, their coordinates it's gonna give us. The parameter is taking first of all the input image, input array is taking, and the following parameter is gonna be in the double type, minimum and the maximum value respectively. Also is needed in the point type, minimum and the maximum location parameters you need to give. Also you will remember from the older videos, you can also specify your mask, which is gonna do is that you don't need to deal for all of the pixels inside the image. You can specify your desired, your target pixels, so it will not search for all the pixels. If you are not specifying this one, it's gonna search for all the pixels inside the image, inside the input array. Okay, what else we can tell about this function? You cannot work with this function in multi-channel arrays, multi-channel images, so only you need to give single channel images. Or if you want to work for multiple, maybe you can split, or there is another function which we are gonna learn later in another video. Maybe you can also use that one. Okay, now we can switch to the code part. We already have an example in here from the previous video. We can continue on this one. Okay, 3 by 3 is enough maybe, which is doing just creating a image 3 by 3, and we are assigning some numbers here. Maybe we can little modify so we can understand more easily how it looks like in the image space. Okay, and we can directly call our function, but before that maybe we need to specify our parameters, which is the first one is gonna be the minimum value and also maximum value. Also at the same time we need to specify our points. The first one is gonna be the minimum point, minimum value point, and also maximum value point. Okay, now we can call our new function, which is min and max location function. So we are gonna give our input first of all, and after that you need to give in the y addresses the minimum value, and then maximum value, and after that you need to specify your points, minimum value point, and then after that at the end you need to put your maximum value point. Okay, this is gonna give us the locations, but of course you cannot write directly to this one to the console. So okay, after that we can write by one byte to the console, and okay, this is minimum value, and maybe in the same line we can see the maximum value. Okay, also respectively we can print the points, and after this is done. And okay, maybe we can change to this to the unsigned char so we can also see with imshow. Let's run it. Yes, in here you see now in the console, in this part, it's saying the minimum value is equal to 1, the maximum value is equal to 9, which is correct for this example, and the coordinates, the representing the 1, the first minimum value point is equal to 0 to 0, which means 0th row and 0th column, which is here, and the 9 is located in the second row and the second column by index. This is the second column and this is the second row, which is totally correct. And yes, you I think understood this function very clearly because it's simple also, but also at the same time in many cases this is useful. There is a similar function which is minMaxID IDs, and we are gonna learn about this in the next video maybe. See you for this video.